Your sleep feels lighter and more fragmented than it did just 10 years ago, despite spending enough total time in bed. Your mind still feels foggy throughout the morning, even after what seemed like a full night of completely uninterrupted sleep. Your energy crashes unexpectedly during afternoon activities that never used to tire you out in your 40s or 50s at all. Your brain may be losing up to 70% of its most restorative sleep phase by age 60 without any warning signs. 70% Furio, that is how much deep restorative slow-wave sleep disappears by age 60 compared to your 20s and 30s. Your brain's ability to clear toxic waste proteins declines dramatically each night you lose this critical deep sleep phase entirely. Most people accept poor sleep as completely inevitable after 50 ham, while the latest scientific evidence says completely otherwise today.
This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice from your doctor. Deep slow-wave sleep typically occupies 20% of total sleep time in healthy young adults in their 20s and 30s. By age 60, this critical phase drops to approximately 5 to 8%, a devastating reduction of 70% overall. The lymphatic system that clears toxic waste from your brain operates almost exclusively during this deep sleep phase every night. Today, I explain 2 clinical interventions with the strongest scientific evidence for actually restoring deep sleep after 50.
Most people try supplements and sleeping pills first pound, yet 2 completely free tools directly influence your brain's deep sleep entry. Exercise timing and bedroom temperature are the most underused and most powerful deep sleep levers available to you right now today.
Resistance training, including weightlifting and bodyweight exercise, is the most consistently documented way to increase deep sleep significantly. A 2017 meta-analysis published in Sleep Medicine Reviews confirmed that resistance training significantly increases measured slow-wave sleep duration. The mechanism involves increased production of adenosine, the specific brain chemical that drives your deep sleep pressure higher nightly. Exercise timing matters critically because morning or afternoon exercise improves deep sleep, while evening exercise actually reduces it instead. Your core body temperature must also drop by 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit to successfully initiate slow-wave sleep each single night. A warm bath or shower taken 60 to 90 minutes before bed paradoxically accelerates this critical core cooling process significantly. The heat draws blood to your skin surface, dissipating warmth rapidly and dropping your core temperature much faster after you exit. A 2019 analysis in Sleep Medicine Reviews confirmed this simple intervention improved both sleep onset and deep sleep duration measured. An overly warm sleeping environment actively suppresses slow-wave sleep, even when your total sleep time appears completely normal and adequate. Keeping your bedroom cool between 60 and 66 degrees Fahrenheit maintains the temperature conditions that deep sleep absolutely requires. Alcohol, while it may speed sleep onset actively, suppresses deep sleep architecture significantly in the second half of every night. Eliminating alcohol within 3 hours of bedtime reliably improves your deep sleep quality within just a few days of consistent practice.
When lifestyle tools alone are not enough, there are evidence-based clinical options that most doctors never discuss with their patients. The most important thing to understand is that real clinical sleep interventions work far better than any over-the-counter supplement today.
Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, called CBT, is the first-line clinical treatment for all sleep disorders in adults. It outperforms medication in randomized controlled trials and produces lasting results without any dependency risk or harmful side effects. CBT addresses the specific behavioral and cognitive patterns that interfere with deep sleep architecture over many years of damage. It is available through trained therapists and validated digital programs at lower cost, and is often covered by Medicare plans. Low-dose melatonin at 0.5 milligrams rather than the common 5 milligrams helps advance circadian timing in older adults. Higher doses do not produce better sleep and can actually suppress the brain's natural melatonin production significantly over extended time. Magnesium glycinate at 200 to 400 milligrams before bed has emerging clinical evidence supporting improved sleep depth overall. It is available over the counter at United States pharmacies and major retailers without any prescription required from your own doctor. It works by activating GABA receptors, the same calming pathway used by certain sleep medications, but far more gently and safely. Treating underlying sleep apnea is absolutely essential. Even mild apnea fragments your deep sleep dramatically and completely silently tonight. A sleep study should be performed if you snore or wake. Frequently home tests and in-lab studies are both readily available. Avoid benzodiazepines and non-benzodiazepine sleep aids. These sedate you yet actively suppress your slow-wave sleep architecture significantly. Asking your doctor about a structured sleep optimization plan is the single most important step you can take right now today.
I covered more crucial details on this exact topic in my full-length video, Tau. The link is on the channel page. Subscribe, tap like, and drop a comment below, Pow. When was the last time you had truly deep and restful sleep?